I had chocolate on my teeth.
Yeah.
That's literally why I hate eating on my video, because I don't know what's gonna be. Hi, welcome to Urmi's Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate ganache. You're going to need 250 mils of thickened cream. I'm using a long life thickened cream for this recipe so that it's shelf stable and can be stored at room temperature if need be. Now we're just going to allow the cream to come to a boil, and when you start seeing it bubble up, you turn off the stove and add it to the chocolate. Just keep moving it around in the pot so that it doesn't burn around the edges or the sides. And when you see it bubbling like this and rising up, just turn off your stove. Pour it over your chocolate. And just let it stand for a little while, and then we'll stir it through until the chocolate melts. And just keep stirring until your chocolate and cream have thoroughly combined and you get a nice smooth ganache. You can put it on ice cream, you can put it on just warm chocolate cake that's fresh out of the oven, or you can just eat it by the spoon out of the bowl, whichever tickles your fancy, to be honest. Let's allow it to cool fully, and then you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge. You can use it for a couple of days, or you can just eat it all in one go. I get to eat lots of ganache. I said what can eat by the bowl. I literally do. I mean, I don't eat it by the bowl, but if I have ganache for a cake, the offcuts, they'll be on spoon, tonk, on a thin slice of the, that day I was cutting the edge. Oh. It's a thin slice of cake, but tonk, one chunk, and then I'll eat the whole thing. Bad. That's why I'm like this lah.